Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm back in my scripture journal and I want to do another spread, and I'm going to be using this paper. I'm not sure where I got it. I've had some people ask me. It was either Journalsay, Doodle Diaries, or Temu for this paper. And then these little scripture stickers. And then I'm going to use this paper here. And it either came from Doodle Diaries, Journalsay, I think. And I'll link everything in the description box below that I can find. And I also have some affiliate links that from Journalsay, Doodle Diaries, and the washi tape shop. And some of those contain coupon codes so they could save you some money. So if you're going to shop there anyway, I really would appreciate it if you would use my links. Okay, just in case you missed it, this is what I did last week, and I think it is gorgeous. All right, so now we're over here. I'm going to probably use my tweezers and definitely my scissors. All right, so I can't determine which one I want to use. I either want to use this paper, I love it, or this paper. You get a whole pack of this paper. It's so pretty, okay? Sometimes I think I want to use this one, and sometimes I think I want to use that. But I'm definitely going to be using this paper that came out of that paper pad, and I was thinking about maybe fussy cutting this. I don't know. I kind of think I would rather have it fussy cut out. I could use my gyro cut. It would work great for that. But I think I'm just going to go in here and just kind of fussy cut this. I'm feeling much better. Thank you to everyone who's said that they hoped I'd feel better. I would say now I'm at probably, 85%. So, I don't know how close I want to get to that cross. So, I'm just going to kind of do this at first, because once you cut it off, you know, that's kind of it. And then if I decide that I want to bring more, have more cut off, then that's what I'll do. But I think this is really, it should be really pretty. I'm enjoying the scripture journaling so much, and a lot of you told me that you love it and you can't wait for it. So I'm excited about that. That makes my heart feel good. All right, so you can see I'm just cutting. No particular way, just wherever I think I might want it. I have my contacts in today with my readers, so we'll see how that goes. Usually I do better with my naked eye, but for editing I think I do better with my contacts and readers. On a side note, we have to get another new washer. Our washer has totally died. I'm just going to kind of go like this on the bottom. I think that's so pretty. That paper is really gorgeous. Okay, now let's look and see what we might want to do with this. Or I have this. I'm still really kind of torn what I want to do. Do I like that? Or do I like... They're equally pretty, I think. I wonder if one of them stands out more. Let me do it like this. Be easier for me to look. I think I like this one better, okay? So what I'm going to do is get my trimmer and cut this. Well, yeah, I definitely want to get my trimmer and just go ahead and cut. I decided I'd just use my little paper trimmer. I think it'll fit in here. And if it does, that'll be great. Ugh, it does. It barely fits. You could also tear this. I think this would be very pretty just torn. Okay, we got that off. All right, let's look at this. See what we think about this one. See if I need to cut it anymore. No, that looks great. I really love this big paper trimmer. It's so accurate, but for little cuts, this is more convenient. All right, so let's look. So we've decided that we're gonna do this. I want that down there. Then I made this with my Cricut, this sticker, and you'll see why in a minute. Would I prefer it that way? You could also cut this and slip this under, but I don't think I'm going to do that. Or do I like it like, I think I like it like this. Okay, this is not naturally a sticker because it's my paper. So I'm going to get my AdTech tape runner and just come along through here. I'm going to see where exactly. I think I'm going to put this right here. So beautiful. Okay, then I'm just going to put this down with my AdTech tape runner. I used to have the love-hate relationship with this one, but I love it now. I think it was just me. All right, I think what I'm going to do is try to, because once this goes on this paper, it is not going to come up. It is just not going to. Oh, and I got it crooked. Will it come up? Oh, a miracle. All right, let's try to get this lined up. I puckered the page underneath. Now that messed that page up. I'm going to get a different book because you really need thicker pages to do this, I think. Because, see, I just puckered that one. Oh, I'm so sad. Okay, let me go down through here and cut this off. Probably didn't put it in far enough on that spine. This is where I wish I had my natural eyes. But that's the way it goes. All right, I'm going to put this down a little better. All right. That is so cute. Now, she is definitely a sticker. Now, I could move her. I have to put my scripture down. And this is it. I'm just using these that I got. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs 3:5-6. And I think that is so true. Sometimes you just don't understand why things are happening, but you have to trust God because He knows best and He knows why everything's happening, and it happens for a reason. So do I want it down here? Or do I want it up here? Normally I kind of move things around. I prefer her up there. No, I like her better down here. Or maybe I'll just put this right like that. And then peel my sticker off. And I want to see some of that, those florals there. I think this turned out so perfect because she's reading in the Bible. Maybe she doesn't understand why something's happening, but you just, like the scripture says, you have to trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, because sometimes we just can't comprehend, but God knows the bigger reason for it. Let's take a look at it. All right, here's my scripture journaling spread for this week. I really do love how it turned out. And I really like that I printed her out like black and white, because she really pops up against all these beautiful florals. And there's the cross. And she's trusting in God that He won't lead her astray, and He never will. So once again, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs 3, verse 5 and 6. And isn't that gorgeous paper? If you enjoyed the scripture journal with me, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.